RIppa Rugby report taken by Molly. Today we did RIppa Rugby. We went out and there was a man. He had a bag in his hand. We all sat down and he said get into pairs of 2. And I was with Layra. First he gave us some waistbands and then gave us flags and stuck them on our waistbands. There were 10 cones, 5 on one side and 5 on the other. There was 3 on each cone, and we threw the rugby ball at each other. That was so much fun. Then we played RIppa Rugby. What we had to do is rip the other flags off the other team. At the end, the white team had 2 points and red had 0, but at least we had fun. Then we packed up and said thank you. That was me and Lockie who said thank you. Thanks for listening to my RIppa Rugby report. Bye.